Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm doing the transfer Prince a Piece, and I'm doing it on a pretty good sized chalkboard with a wide frame that my husband made. I love it. I think it just fits this transfer really well. Now I'm using the Big Daddy squeegee, which I call it, or I don't know, big handled squeegee. Anyway, I'm just using the white paste, and look at that. I mean, it's so crisp and so clear. And yes, I went over the lines, but it's easy to fix that. Just take a wet towel, a damp towel, and wipe it off. Easy. Now here I'm doing the manger scene on the bottom, and it's really easy. However, I didn't realize it, and I was out of the camera view. So I'm trying to do it sideways so you can see it a little bit better. Finishing this up, and also on top there is a little bit of a holly with some berries. So I want to make the berries red and use glitter. So that's what I did on top. And while that's setting up, I am doing, I think it's a little lamb on the bottom. I just kind of went back and forth, letting things dry in between time. Now here's the star, and I used shimmer silver for that, but I'm also putting some iridescent glitter on it, very fine glitter. And there it is, and it's all done. And I can honestly say I think this is my most favorite transfer this year. I love it, and I think the frame, the whole thing, the transfer, everything just fits really nice. I love it. Thanks for watching.